Assalamu alaikum. Hello learners, let's start our today's topic, connectors or linking words. Dear learners, if we see carefully, we use connectors or linking words in our daily activities, in our dialogues, in telling stories. In fact, connectors and linking words can be learned better and better by telling stories. So you will practice that. Dear learners, you see, for sequence or sequentially, if you start something or tell something, maintaining a sequence, you can use at first, firstly, secondly, thirdly, and then next, afterwards, or after that, finally, last of all, eventually. Dear learners, if I show you some example, to become a good student. So how you will become a good student? There are some steps, some works, certain works that to do. Firstly, or at first, from the very beginning, a student has to be regular in his classes. Secondly, firstly, a student has to be regular in his classes. Firstly, a student has to be regular in his classes. Secondly, he should listen to his teachers carefully. Okay. Secondly, he should listen to his teachers carefully. Thirdly, he needs to note down some important points. Okay. Then he will practice at home. Afterwards, he will become a good student. Finally, he will do a magnificent result. Alright? So dear, you will practice in this way. Firstly, secondly, thirdly, afterwards, next. These connectors or linking words are used for a sequence, or they are used for sequential sentences. Okay. On the other hand, for adding information, you will use besides, moreover, furthermore, additionally, in addition to, again, also. There, I know Bangla language well. My dear learners, have a look. I know Bangla language well. Besides, I can speak English fluently. Besides, I can speak English fluently. Moreover, I'm trying to learn Arabic. Okay, dear learners, I know Bangla language well. Besides, I can speak English fluently. Moreover, I'm trying to learn Arabic. Okay, if you add more information, you will use in addition to, again, also. So, my dear learners, for understanding grammatical items, you should practice over and over or again and again. Thank you very much for watching this video.